Hey guys, just want to show you a funny noise maker. It makes funny noises. It's this thing, and I can show you what it does. You can even make better sounds than that, like this. You can shop it online. It's called a funny noise maker. It says it right. There was a tag right here. The tag was right here. It said animal noise maker. You can buy that online or find it in the store, but I think it's better online because you might not be able to find it there. Just want to show you this noise maker. Peace.